Lamborghini. Lamborghini cars often suffer from very high maintenance and running costs because their exotic materials and bespoke parts are expensive to service and replace. Cooling systems in these vehicles can be taxed under heavy use or hot weather, which increases the risk of overheating. Transmission units sometimes show pump failures, fluid leaks, or gear selection problems, and that's especially under hard driving. Brakes may suffer overheating or brake fade, create squealing noises, and give inconsistent pedal feel when used aggressively. Engines, in some examples, have been reported to develop oil leaks from gaskets or oil pans. On the electrical side, nose lift systems can fail, for example due to water ingress in the front trunk area, and instrument clusters can flicker, freeze, or go blank because of wiring or fuse faults. Advanced electronic systems, including wiring harnesses, infotainment modules, or hybrid system batteries, often require specialized diagnostics and repair, making everyday ownership demanding and costly. Hey, before we move forward, if you are finding this video on car brand problems helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical automotive tips. Dodge cars often face transmission problems such as harsh shifting, slipping gears, delayed engagement, torque converter failure, and overheating under load, especially when towing. Electrical faults are frequently reported, including failures of the Totally Integrated Power Module, or TIPM, alternator issues, battery drain, dashboard and TPMS errors, random stalling, or no-start events. Engine troubles occur too. Vehicles equipped with Hemi engines often experience a lifter tick after cold start, which may indicate worn lifters or camshaft issues, leading to misfires or power loss. Brake and suspension wear shows up as premature rotor or pad wear, spongy brake pedal feel, or clunking from worn struts or control arms. Cooling systems sometimes leak or overheat, particularly in SUVs that tow loads. In older models, safety-related defects have included airbag failures and rust or structural corrosion affecting frames and body panels. Jeep. Common problems with Jeep vehicles include electrical glitches such as failures in the Totally Integrated Power Module, which can cause malfunctioning windows, doors, or infotainment issues. Steering and suspension problems, for example the death wobble, often caused by worn track bars, ball joints, or bushings, frequently affect stability. Engine and cooling system troubles, including overheating, oil leaks, and sensor failures, are also commonly reported. Transmission issues, especially rough shifting or slippage, particularly with 9-speed automatics, are a recurring complaint. Owners additionally report water leaks around doors or windows, rust and premature suspension wear over time, contributing to generally below average reliability across many Jeep models. Tesla vehicle issues commonly involve build quality problems such as uneven panel gaps and thin paint application, software malfunctions including autopilot phantom braking and screen freezes, suspension concerns like premature joint wear and wheel assembly failures, and component faults affecting door handles, charging ports, and 12-volt batteries. Drivers also report battery range reduction due to natural degradation and cold weather efficiency loss, along with delays in service appointments and replacement parts caused by limited service center capacity. Subaru. Its common issues include head gasket failures on EJ series engines due to coolant and oil passage sealing weaknesses, excessive oil consumption on FA series engines caused by piston ring design limits, and continuously variable transmission or CVT hesitation linked to hydraulic pressure control wear. Additional problems involve thermocontrol valve malfunctions affecting engine temperature regulation, electrical faults from corroded grounds, and suspension bushing deterioration, increasing noise and vibration. Preventive maintenance, such as regular engine oil changes, timely timing belt replacements every 105,000 miles, and CVT fluid inspections, reduces the likelihood of mechanical failures. GMC vehicles, particularly models like Sierra and Yukon, frequently suffer from powertrain problems such as hard shifting, transmission failures, and engine stalling. Excessive oil consumption and oil leaks, often due to issues with cylinder deactivation systems, are common, sometimes forcing frequent oil top-offs. And electrical faults also recur, like battery drain, infotainment or instrument cluster glitches, and random warning lights have been widely reported. Brake system problems, including early wear, soft or unresponsive pedal feel, have been noted, especially under heavy loading or towing. Fuel pump module failures in newer GMC trucks have caused engines to unexpectedly shut off, sometimes stranding drivers. Hey, thanks for watching this so far. If you're enjoying our video, please make sure you subscribe. It really helps us out, and we can keep you informed. Now, let's keep going. Ram vehicles suffer from persistent electrical problems. The Central Power Distribution Unit, or the Totally Integrated Power Module as it's known, TIPM, can fail, leading to battery drain, flickering lights, malfunctioning infotainment, or random power losses. Trucks equipped with a Hemi V8 engine sometimes exhibit a pronounced Hemi tick, which is a persistent tapping or rattling noise caused by worn valve lifters or failing exhaust manifold bolts. Water leaks are also common, especially from the rear window seal or third brake light housing, occasionally allowing moisture into the cabin and even affecting electrical modules. Transmission issues such as rough shifting, delayed gear engagement, or gear slipping have been reported, particularly in older or heavily used units. Some models also show suspension or chassis-related wear, causing degraded ride comfort or handling when used for heavy loads or long-term work. Volvo's cars face persistent electronics faults. The infotainment or display system may freeze, lag, or reboot unpredictably, sometimes draining the battery overnight. Their automatic transmissions, especially in older or high-mileage units, frequently show rough shifting, jerking, or delayed gear engagement under load. Cooling system defects, radiator, water pump, or hoses can lead to engine overheating if neglected. Suspension wear like worn shocks, bushings, or struts is common on rough roads, causing noisy, unstable rides and uneven tire wear. Diesel models from about 2008 to 2016 may face diesel particulate filter clogging or EGR valve carbon buildup, leading to power loss or limp home mode if fuel quality is poor or frequent short trips prevent proper regeneration. Hyundai problems center on engine issues in its 2-liter and 2.4-liter Theta engines. Many vehicles experience excessive oil consumption, piston ring wear, or bearing problems, which could lead to engine knocking, loss of power, and even engine seizure or stalling. Transmission troubles have also been reported, notably slipping or hesitation during gear changes in some models. Electrical faults afflict braking and safety systems. Faulty hydraulic electronic control units in the anti-lock braking system reportedly caused fluid leaks and short circuits that in some cases resulted in fires. Paint and overall quality complaints further added to buyer dissatisfaction in certain model years. Over the period roughly 2011 to 2023, Hyundai issued multiple recalls to address manufacturing defects across its fleet. Kia cars, especially those with 2-liter or 2.4-liter GDI engines, such as models from 2011 to 2019, have repeatedly faced reports of serious engine problems, such as excessive oil consumption, sometimes burning roughly 1 quart per 1 to 2,000 miles, due to piston ring or seal failures. Many owners also report engine stalling or rough idle, sometimes leading to full engine replacement under recall. Transmission issues like slipping or shuddering, delayed shifting, or torque converter faults have been noted in some models' 6-speed or 8-speed automatics. On top of that, electrical glitches like battery drain or infotainment malfunctions, along with door lock or accessory failures, have been observed. Peugeot cars face recurring electrical glitches, engine issues, particularly with 1.2-liter PureTech engines using a wet timing belt running in engine oil because the belt can degrade, shed rubber fragments, clog oil passages, and cause oil starvation. Diesel engine Peugeots commonly suffer from clogged diesel particulate filters if mostly used for short urban trips. Turbocharger failures occur, often linked to poor lubrication or maintenance delays. Gearbox or clutch faults and problematic automatic transmissions have been reported, with gear changing difficulties or slipping clutches. Suspension noise and wear, as well as malfunctioning air conditioning and buggy infotainment or electronics, add to reliability complaints. Renault cars are reported to suffer from electrical gremlins such as flickering dashboard displays, malfunctioning central locking, and electric windows. Engine side issues include stalling, oil leaks, and turbocharger failures, particularly in TCE, which is turbocharged gas, and DCI, or diesel variants, sometimes caused by timing chain problems or poor maintenance. Transmission issues also emerge, especially jerky automatic or CVT gear shifts. Suspension or steering faults, including worn bushings or loose steering gear, may lead to knocking noises or unstable handling. Interior build quality concerns like trim rattles or loose panels are common in several models. In diesel models, blocked diesel particulate filters or failing EGR or emission control components may cause power loss or warning lights. Citroën cars frequently have persistent electrical faults. Problems with dashboard displays, sensors, and central locking are common, often due to faulty wiring or module failures. Their hydro-pneumatic or soft suspension configurations frequently experience hydraulic leaks or worn spheres, causing creaks, uneven ride height, bumpy ride quality, or sinking at corners. Turbo-equipped engines in some Citroën models are known to struggle with turbocharger failures or excessive oil consumption if maintenance is neglected. Manual gearbox or semi-automatic systems can develop gearbox stiffness or clutch wear, especially under heavy use. So, which car brand issues have you personally experienced? Please comment below and let us know your thoughts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car insights.